Hello friends, in this session we will learn the variable radius fillet. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, open the CATIA software and click on Start in menu bar. After that, select mechanical design, select part design. Click on OK. Okay, now here we will select one any plane, and on this plane we will create a sketch. That's why we will selecting sketch command. Okay, now we create a rectangle. Okay, and click on exit workbench command. Now here select pad command, because we are adding the material to the rectangle. Okay, that's why we will selecting pad command and give the length 50 mm. Okay, and click OK. Now this is a variable radius fillet command. Okay, select the variable radius fillet command, and here the variable fillet radius fillet definition dialog box is open. Okay, now in this command we will create a variable radius at a time at different points. Okay, let's see how to create variable radius fillet. Okay, now on this edge we will create a points. Okay, that's why select points, and here this is a point command. Select point, and here the point definition dialog box is open. Here give the point on which curve. Here this is a from this to this point, the distance is given at here. If you want to change the distance, then enter here. We will enter 30. Okay, and we will see the preview. Okay, see the point is here, and the distance between this edge to this point is 30. Okay, and click OK. Like this, create a points. Second point is here. Okay, now the distance between this point is 70 mm. Preview OK. Now third is select on this edge, click, and enter the distance between this is 1 0. Okay, fourth is select curve, and the distance between this is 160. Okay, preview. Okay, now we will create a variable radius on this edge. Okay, first of all select the variable radius fillet command. Here select the edge. Here the first point and last point of the edge fillet is 5. We will enter. Okay, 5 mm. Then select the next point, and the radius is 10 mm. Okay, select point. Third point radius is 7 mm. Reduced by 3 mm. Okay, select the fourth point, and the radius of this fourth point is 15 mm. Okay, and the fifth point radius is select this point. Okay, and the radius is 3 mm. Okay, and preview. Now here we will see the preview. Okay, see, this is a variable radius fillet command. Okay, see the preview. Because of the radius of the different point is variable radius, we will enter. That's why the fillet is created like this. Click OK. Okay, see, this is a variable fillet command. Okay, see, like this the variable fillet command is used. Okay, and next session we will see the face fillet. Okay, thank you.